In today's video, we are going to be going over one of the staple must-knows when creating any of your balloon art, and that is how to create a mini garland.
We getting crazy in a different role. We getting crazy in a different role.
This is super important, obviously, because this is going to make up your base garland whenever you make any sort of balloon art. And so make sure you definitely have this little technique down pat, and it'll make everything else super easy for you. So let's go ahead and show you how we do these. Okay, so to make up your mini garland, you are going to need 2 clusters. So make sure you've watched how to make a cluster video, and then you can go on to this step. So now that we have 2 of our clusters, each made up of 6 balloons, variety of 17-inch and 11 inches, we are going to create our mini garland. So we're going to attach these 2 via the necks. So let's just go ahead. I'm going to reach into the center here and just pull out a neck, preferably not the 17-inch neck, one of the 11-inch necks. It's just going to be a lot easier for tying. Alright, so as you can see, just grabbing a neck from one of the balloons here, right at the base. They should be all knotted up in the middle there from you twisting them together to create the cluster. Same thing on this one. Let's grab another one. Alright, and we're basically going to kind of just like pull these 2 together as tight as we can. Pull those necks as tight as we can. As close to the base of the neck. Try not to pull from the end of the neck. And this should be super easy if you are inflating your balloons correctly. If they are overinflated, this is going to be way more difficult. You're going to get fraying of the necks. Your necks might even rip. Alright, so I'm going to leave it like this just so you can go in kind of with the camera to see how we tie those together. Just a simple little knot of the necks, one from each cluster. And then obviously you can see there's kind of a little bit of a gap there. Easy fix, just kind of shift them around until they kind of fall into place with each other. And then sometimes I'll even kind of just like push them together. That way they're nice and compact. But this technique of tying the necks together to create your mini garland will always kind of give you the most compact, easy to maneuver kind of situation. So now we have our mini garland here, which as you can see is a total of 12 balloons. We have 2 17-inch balloons in there, and then the rest are made up of the 11 inches. So again, you're going to go ahead and just create a bunch of these as kind of a way to prep for your balloon install. And then when you get there, you kind of transport them like this, and then you can create things with these mini garlands. So again, this is super helpful when creating any sort of balloon art. So make sure you get this down pat. I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you have any questions, as usual, go ahead and leave them in the comments and we'll respond back to you. Catch you guys on the next one.